VIP Taxi is a family-owned and operated business. We started in Phoenix in 2007, and we service the whole Tucson metropolitan area. Being in the commercial transportation, we see a lot of accidents. We see a lot of front-end collisions. What makes us the safest company in Phoenix is our use of technology, including Mobileye, to help us eliminate our accidents. I'm all into the OBD devices that are out there, the cameras. I mean, what other data can we get? But Mobileye was more of a coach inside the car, coaching the driver, so that really caught our eye.
In over 3 decades of teaching defensive driving, there is no question that Mobileye is the game changer, which leads to a benefit. It's hard to quantify.
Mobileye technology improves my day-to-day work by keeping me safe. It is totally awesome. It's like having a friend with you all the time to protect you in any situation that can come up.
Definitely the alerts help a lot, help keep you aware of what's happening around you, and you have your alerts for everything. Your forward collision, your lane departure.
Since we've implemented Mobileye, we've been able to control more of our accident rates. We've eliminated a lot of our front-end collisions and eliminated a lot of the lawyer fees that we were paying for.
What we did, we took a study, we looked at the empirical data over a 3-year period of time. With a similar fleet size, we reduced our rear-end collisions by over 56%. So you had the change of a reduction in the accidents and also the severity of the accidents due to the change in the distances.
Mobileye allowed us to actually get a reduction in our insurance rates because our cars simply aren't crashing at the rate that they used to be.
What Mobileye has done is enabled a taxi company of a smaller fleet size, 250 cars, to save potentially over an annualized and a 10-year basis millions of dollars. And that's huge.
It's technology we can install in the car. It's always working. It never needs adjustments. We won't let a car on the street without it.